Yo, 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 this is another Candy Peaches production. Yo, 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 Candy, where you at? Candy Peaches coming through. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Through. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl, Candy Peaches, and I'm here to give you guys another video. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Share this YouTube channel. Like, come on, fam, share. So today, we're going to be making masks out of anything you got. I started making this out of kitchen towels, okay? So I measured it out by 6 by 9. So I just took a little ruler, did 6, if y'all can see it, you guys, and then I did by 5. So 9 long, 5 width, okay? All right, you guys. So I'm just gonna be playing some music in the background. Stay tuned, all right? So, you guys, this is me getting the fabric. As I said before, 6 to 9 inches. It just really depends on your face. So I don't know why I'm gonna keep fumbling with the camera like over and over again. I just couldn't get it straight, you guys. I am waiting for my ring light, just waiting for it to come in. Oh my god, like I really need one. So if you guys know any good ring light, please comment down below so I can get me one. Like I really need one. So once again, this is your fabric. You can choose anything you want to use. I use a kitchen towel to make this mask. So I take my ruler and I measure out once again a 9. I used a pen, so 9 inches, and the width I did 6. I think I said 6, or did I say 5? I'll be forgetting. There go my daughter. She's in the video. I'm showing you guys the inches I did. You can use any type of scissors you have. You can use kid scissors, regular scissors. Please, kids, do not try to do this on your own. If you're younger, no one needs to be trying to cut yourself. So I did this tutorial for you guys so you can be able to make you a mask affordable, because I know it is hard to come by to get a mask right now. So this is me cutting it out, trying to be precise, but I am totally not precise on doing this, okay, you guys? So I am not a seamstress. I am not any of that. I'm just trying to protect myself. So once again, I get the fabric. I think I messed up. I'm not even sure. I did. Oh my god. But I just used it and cut it out. So I used it and cut it out, and I'm going to make sure it matches, and you cut out any excess, can't even talk tonight, excess fabric so you can make your mask. It's not really hard. It's very simple, you guys, so do not overthink it. At first, I was looking at everyone make these tutorials and was like, oh, heck no. I need to order one or get one of these people to make one for me, because I cannot do this. I'm not about to do this. This is too much time consuming. But with me having time off and nothing else to do, I just was like, okay. So here's the needle and the thread. So you guys, this is not a normal needle. I didn't have one. So this is my sewing needle for sew-ins. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. It works just as fine as a normal needle, okay? So I am threading my needle and I am tying the end, because you want to make sure it's a knot. So I start in the corner well, the fabric, making sure they're inside out backwards. And you start at the corner. So you just go in the fabric, both fabrics, loop in, and at the end of the knot, you want to go through the 2 strings. Okay, this is what I do. Everyone does it different, but this is what I do. Go into the 2 strings, and then I do it again to secure it. You know. So now that I finished the side, I am securing the end where the elastic is, and I'm going to start on the top. So I secure it into place so it doesn't move as I'm moving forward to do the top. It is another in and out weaving and in and out and weave. So you would do that at the top and the bottom. And once you get to the other end, you're going to secure the top as well. Oh my God, I can't freaking talk. But like I said, you're going to secure the top as well and make sure that it lines up and just go in and out. At the top of it, you don't want to go all the way. You want to leave space in the middle, because what you're going to do is, I'm cutting the extra fabric, but you're going to leave space in the middle because that's where you're going to put a filter in and turn the mask inside and out. So Guys, I finished. I took me a break. I didn't mean to leave you in intermission. I was on the computer looking at things. I'm not sure what I was doing, but once again, you have to thread the needle. Now that you're done, you need to secure the elastic. So what I do is I go in and I go down. I poke my finger right there, but you go down and around the elastic of the band so it can be secure on the band, so that you don't have to worry about it not working or not securing itself. So I do one side and I do the other the same way. It's not really hard to sew them together, the elastic. I know I'm probably going pretty fast on this, but it doesn't really take a long of a time consuming to do each side, and you just sew them together like you would just normally sew them together. You have to be careful not to go too hard on the band because it is elastic, and I did cut it, so I had to be very careful on what I was doing. Tie my knots. I finished my other end, and I'm done. So you guys, this is where you turn the mask inside and out. You want to make sure that you leave it the little hole so you can open it back up. This little hole is for you guys, for you to put a filter, for you to turn it inside out so that you can have it the right way. Now you want to make sure that you pull the elastic and all the ends out so your mask can look excellent on its right side, you guys. Oh my gosh, I know this was a long video, but I am here to help you guys because I've seen so many people on YouTube do their video to help everyone out. And ooh, look at the mask I made, you guys. We did this together. Ooh, oh snap, my mask says. So you guys, this is the mask. You want to cut any excess string. I use a coffee filter to insert inside. You can change your coffee filter every day, you guys. Also, you want to cut it to whatever size, if you're doing adult, kid, or whatever size the person's face is. So you just insert the mask inside the coffee filter. Set the coffee filter inside the mask. Like I said, I cannot talk this whole thing. I'm up here jamming to my music. Can't let you guys hear it, but it's okay. And I'm getting it. Get it, girl. Oh, okay. What? Get it, girl? You couldn't tell me nothing. I was on one. But once again, you guys, this is your mask. Cut excess string. The sides, put it on your face. That is my Galaxy one I made, you guys. Leaving an opening for a filter. Shopkins for the kids. Cut the filter to the side. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go like, subscribe to the channel.